DISPLEX, simply better protected. Protect your mobile phone display with DISPLEX Real Glass. Here we go. Remove the protective cover and, if necessary, the protective film of the device display. Get all necessary parts ready for use. Clean the device screen with the damp cleaning cloth. Then dry it with the microfiber cloth. Remove fine dust particles with the anti-dust. Carefully break the individual parts out of the Easy-On Eco mounting frame. Place the mounting frame with the labelled side down. Now carefully break out the Easy-On bits and Easy-On squeeze card. Insert the Easy-On bits into the slots provided in the mounting frame. Now place the rest of the mounting frame cardboard under the device so that the camera unit fits into the recess provided by the squeeze card. Put the mounting frame on the device. Now remove the carrier plate or the tin foil from the glass. Insert the glass into the mounting frame at the top. Press the glass firmly in the upper 3 to 4 centimeters. Let the protective glass adhere. Voila! If there are tiny air bubbles, simply press them out with the squeeze card. Perfectly fitting protective glass. Now there's nothing to break. Brilliant touch and scroll properties. Best protection against scratches, bumps and breakage. Perfect. Ultra thin and robust, high-tech real glass with maximum transparency and colour fidelity. Designed in Germany. DISPLEX, simply better protected.